The best colored iPhone gets unboxed right now. Pulling the protective wrapper off the box, and you're presented with the normal Apple style of packaging. This time though, it is a white box with a picture of the red iPhone 8 Plus on the front and the Apple logos and the word iPhone in the red color. Nothing special, but a nice change. Opening the box, we have a sleeve on the top, and inside is a red card to further hammer home you have a product red device. We also have the usual booklets, Apple stickers for trolling, and a SIM ejection tool. Underneath is the 256GB product red iPhone 8 Plus, which costs a whopping £956. Yes, way too expensive, but at least it doesn't cost more than the previous models in the other color variants. The accessories that come in the box are nothing new, same old, same old. The charger, the headphones, the headphone dongle, and the lightning cable. The red and black color scheme is definitely the best combo, unlike last year's version with no white front. The black bezels just make the front look more seamless. I would describe the red as being different shades depending on the light. Ferrari red turns to blood red depending on the angle you hold the phone. It looks stunning in person. Let's compare it to another stunning red phone, the HTC U11Is. Comparing the two devices side by side is a difficult decision as to which one looks better. The deep red of the iPhone versus the shifting golden red color of the HTC phone. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Both have red metal sides which look very similar and black fronts. Proof that Apple were not the first. That's all folks. There's no point in me going into any further detail as the hardware specs are exactly the same as the previous iPhone 8 Plus. Check out my previous iPhone 8 Plus videos for further details. So should you buy this product red iPhone? Only for one reason, for the color, nothing else. But nearly £1,000 for red? Really? Don't buy this if you already have the iPhone 8 Plus in another color. Don't buy it if you are due an upgrade, as there are better phones available for less money, such as the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or the Huawei P20 Pro, as two examples. Don't buy it to just support the red organization. For that, you can just donate to them directly on their website. That way all your donation goes to them, not just a percentage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up and share this video on your social media, as it helps me grow the channel. So until next time, this is Zilla. Stay safe and peace.